Hello everyone, so this is the Bird Cam. Make sure you peel off the plastic layer. So a couple things, you're gonna have your TF card slot inside here and your reset and also power supply. You wanna connect in there. So, and your power button's gonna be in there as well. When you're done, do make sure that you close it up so water doesn't get in there. But we can take a look and we can see the unit. Your antenna goes on here. So your solar panel is going to connect right in here. So you just take your antenna, twist that on, take your solar panel, nice little solar panel, plenty of cable length, and you're going to pop this open and you're going to plug your panel right in here.